Dear students, from the heterocyclic chemistry, we are studying this third compound isoquinoline. So this isoquinoline is a fused heterocyclic system. Like a quinoline, it is called also as 2-azanaphthalene because from in the naphthalene compound, in the naphthalene structure, at the second position, if you replace carbon by nitrogen, that is aza group, then this compound is an isoquinoline and we can call it as an 2-azanaphthalene because at the second position the nitrogen is there, and it is also known as benzopyridine. So this is a colorless solid having a melting point 243 degrees Celsius, and this isoquinoline is highly aromatic and having a resonance energy of 47 kilocalories per mole. This isoquinoline, similar to quinoline, is a weak basic. This is because the nitrogen in the ring is sp2 hybridized, and the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen are more tightly held because of this sp2 hybridization, and hence these are less available for protonation. So this in isoline, the nitrogen containing ring resemble like a pyridine, and the carbocyclic ring is resemble like a benzene. The pyridine ring in isoquinoline is a pi electron deficient. Therefore, the nucleophilic attack takes place preferably at the first position. If position 1 is occupied, the nucleophilic attack takes place at the position number 3. So why this pyridine ring in isoquinoline is electron deficient? Because of the presence of nitrogen atom, and this nitrogen is sp2 hybridized, and the pyridine ring is therefore an electron deficient, and therefore nucleophile can attack at this pyridine ring of this isoquinoline at the first or at the third position. Now we are going to see where the electrophilic attack takes place in the ring of this isoquinoline. So if you see the structure of intermediates of this electrophilic substitution of this structural resonating structures of this isoquinoline, then due to this pyridine ring, and it is deactivated because of nitrogen atom, the electrophile can attack at the carbocyclic ring, that is benzene ring, at the 5th and 8th position, similar to the quinoline structure. And why the electrophiles can attack at the 5 and 8 position, we will see here. Initially we will see the structures, then we will explain through these resonating structures. So electrophilic attack takes place at the 5th position, and the electrophilic substitution takes place at the 8th position. It is shown by these resonating structures. So this is an isoquinoline ring. So the numberings are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and at the second position nitrogen is there. So this pyridine ring of this isoquinoline is electron deficient. Therefore, the electrophilic substitution is shown here at the 5th position of this carbocyclic ring. If this carbon of this carbocyclic ring can attack at this electrophile, then the electrons of this bond are shifted at the 5th position to form a bond with this electrophile. Therefore, the positive charge is now on the 6th carbon. So it is resonated because of the presence of double bond at the adjacent carbons. So now the positive charge is at the 8th carbon. Okay. So in the electrophilic substitution reaction, in the last step, this hydrogen is replaced here, minus H plus takes place, and now there is a double bond is seen, and the electrophile is now attached at the 5th position of this isoquinoline structure. So if you see this electrophilic attack at the 5th position of these resonating structures. When the electrophile attacks at the 5th position, this pyridine ring is as it is. In the resonating structure, the positive charge is separated at the 8th position. Again, this pyridine ring is as it is. So here, when the electrophile attacks at the 5th position, there is no any change in the aromatic nature of this pyridine ring of this isoquinoline. So when the electrophilic substitution takes place at the 5th position. If you consider the electrophilic substitution at the 8th position now, so here the 8th position, it attacks at the electrophile. The positive charge is now at the 7th position. Double bond is shifted here. Positive charge shifts at the 5th position. Okay, in the final step, this H hydrogen gives electron and it is removed as an H plus from this reaction, and now there is a double bond is formed and aromatic nature is again intacted. So here the electrophile is now attached at the 8th position. So when this electrophile attack takes place at the 8th position, similar to the 5th position, the aromatic nature of this pyridine ring structure is as it is. There is no any change or disturbance in the aromatic nature of these structures. So here this is explained as pyridine ring is deactivated because of nitrogen atom. The electrophilic substitution takes place at the 5th and 8th position. Because now see here, electrophilic attack at 5 and 8 position allow the delocalization of this positive charge without any disturbance of the aromatic nature of the pyridine ring. While if we show the intermediate structures of the electrophilic substitution at the 6th and 7th position, then the intermediate structures would show there is a disturbance in the resonance structure of the pyridine ring, and therefore if you explain or if you compare the relative stabilities of the intermediate carbocations which is formed by the electrophilic attack at different positions with isoquinoline, then we come to a conclusion that the electrophilic substitution is easy and it takes place at the 5th and 8th position only. At the 6th and 7th position it is not possible because of the disturbance in the aromatic nature of the pyridine ring of this isoquinoline. So it is also explained electrophilic substitution involve attack on isoquinoline which is formed by protonation at the nitrogen, which has the effect of preventing attack on the heterocyclic ring. Isoquinoline undergoes electrophilic substitution preferably in the benzene ring. So similar to the quinoline, in case of isoquinoline also, the electrophilic substitution preferably takes place at the 5th and 8th position of this carbocyclic ring of this isoquinoline and quinoline. There is no any electrophilic substitution at the 6th and 7th position. So this is what it is explained in this isoquinoline point.